Hi my friends and everybody. Welcome to GMK World channel, and this is Gunpla World. Today's, we will suggested Gundam plastic models kits. MG1-100, Unicorn Gundam 02 Banshee Ver.Ka. The Banshee from Gundam Unicorn reappears as a Ver.Ka model kit. This version replicates its appearance in the novel before being adapted into an animated work where it was a black and gold-colored Gundam Unicorn with a different head crest. Can transform between Unicorn and NTD modes and includes Beam Magnum, 2 Beam Sabers, transforming shield, and bazooka. This special release comes with a large sheet of gold-colored waterslide decals. Finally, this is MG1-100, Unicorn Gundam 02 Banshee Ver.Ka, the link for order in video description. For more information, go to https://bandai-hobby.net/item/2222. Thanks for watching. For news and more information about Gundam plastic models kits, please subscribe our GMK World channel.